welcome back to Bridal Bites. This week we're making hot buttered new potatoes with mint and peas. Wash potatoes and halve them if it helps to get them roughly the same size. Bring the pan of water to a boil, add some mint and a teaspoon of salt. 3 minutes before the potatoes are done, add some frozen peas. Drain the potatoes and then add 2/3 of the chopped mint and a large knob of butter. Stir gently so you don't break up the potatoes. Pour into your serving dish. Season with salt and pepper. Then sprinkle with the remaining mint and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe. Join me next week for my scrumptious bruschetta recipe. I'll see you then. Take care.